Hello and welcome back to the TV Bulletin of Lilama 691. We are in the third quarter of 2015. The production and business activities of Lilama 691 are taking place ebulliently on all construction sites of the company. We hope that our Bulletin No. 5 will provide you in the practical information on the activity of the company. After the recruiting activities at Hanoi University of Science and Technology and Thái Nguyên University of Technology, the company has recruited 55 new engineers in the first engineer recruitment of this year. To more clearly understand about the training activities of such new engineers in Lilama 691, I am a newly graduated engineer. I feel that the working environment of Lilama 691 is professional and active. This is a wonderful working environment for us to develop technical specialties. The members of Lilama 691 are very friendly. The working environment is professional. Especially the general director of the company pays much attention to us, creating comfortable playground for us after learning hours, and inviting the most experienced personnel in machinery erection sector to train us. Lilama 691 is a strong unit in the machinery erection, which is my major. Therefore, I hope that after training course, I want to work on construction sites to show that I am an engineer who can work well. In the next 3 to 5 years, I hope to reach a certain position in the company. After the opening ceremony of training course, the new engineers are trained about the fields such as the main products and regulation of the company, teamwork and project management skill, execution experience on construction sites. In addition, the company has invited lecturers from the National Academy of Public Administration to share the soft skills, the specialist from Europe to share the project management experience in the thermal power plant installation, the specialist from Bulletin oil refinery company to change the technology in oil refineries. Especially, they are given the opportunities to practice on construction site. Key projects of Lilama 691 such as Bulletin oil refinery and petrochemical projects, Thái Bình 2 thermal power project, Parang fabrication workshop. They are shared with the practical experience by foregoers. The training activities are implemented methodically, helping your youth engineer to rapidly integrate into the Lilama 691 working environment. During the training course, we can learn much knowledge of different fields, such as project management, safety, QA, QC. Therefore, our knowledge is more widely improved. So far, the one-month training course has finished. All 52 members are assigned the task to work as a construction site and department of the company. In addition of the training activities, the companies continue the recruitment of new personnel. It is estimated that about 30 new members will be recruited in the second time. As of the end of June, the company recruited about 700 personnel compared to the set targets of 1,300 ones for the whole 2015. In spite of being newly established, the Repair and Maintenance Board has obtained many successes over the past time. The board has signed many contracts for repairing the boiler of Quảng Ninh Thermal Power Plant. In July of this year, the board had focused on mobilizing the manpower up over 500 personnel to implement many different projects at the same time.
These are the images of Mông Dương 1 thermal power plant. As this project, Lilama 69 plus 1 implemented the repair, reclamation and upgrade of 4 boilers of the plant, including boilers 1A, 1B, 2A, and 2B. The work was started in late May of this year. So far, all work items have been completed. To meet the schedule requirement, Lilama 69 plus 1 has mobilized nearly 400 personnel for this task. In addition, the company is repairing the Boiler 1 and Boiler 2 of Tân Rai Aluminum Plant in Lâm Đồng Province, Tân Quang Cement Plant in Tuyên Quang Province. Before, Lilama 69 plus 1 has repaired successfully the turbine of Cẩm Phả Thermal Power Plant and generator of Mao Khê Thermal Power Plant. Especially, the company has signed 3 new repair and maintenance contracts, including contract for repairing the turbine and generator number 7 by kit number 15, and contract for maintaining 3 cowl breakers for Uông Expansion Thermal Power Plant, and contract for repairing the boiler of Quảng Ninh Thermal Power Plant. The repair and maintenance area of Lilama 69 plus 1 has made a progress from the beginning of this year, becoming the key operation field of the company. With the attention and right direction of the management board, Lilama 69 plus 1 has mastered gradually the market of repair and maintenance of thermal power plants, oil refineries, chemical plants, and construction material plants.
Bắc Ninh Equipment and Steel Structure Manufacturing is implementing 9 different projects at the same time, with total weight of equipment up to nearly 4,000 tons, creating a big challenge for the manufacturer with big efforts to complete the task. The following are the images on the production activities of the manufacturer.
The equipment fabrication activities at Bulletin Equipment and Steel Structure Manufacturing took place brilliantly in the days of July. The operations are implemented in the whole day and night. We have cited many different projects, such as fabricating 1,300 tons of equipment for Thái Bình 1 thermal power plant, 600 tons for industrial waste power generation plant, IHI project exporting steel structure to Morocco and other projects. Especially at the end of this year, we will fabricate the fire heater to export to Iraq for the first time, in addition to fabricating equipment for JGC. To meet the requirement on quality and schedule of the products of the partner, the management board of the company and the manufacturer drastically direct each project, taking suitable measures to solve potential problems. In addition, the manufacturer has applied the method of hiring by the piece in the teams, groups to improve the labor productivity of the laborers. Emulation movement is taken to encourage the working spirit of the workers. Initiatives of team or individuals are promoted to apply for the practical activities. The manufacturer has also received the support from other departments of the company in the activities such as design, material supply, machine investment, and manpower. However, the manufacturer will face the hard phase in the coming time. Most of working items need to be implemented in September, October, and November. At that time, each month the factory has to fabricate about 700 tons of equipment per month, creating a big challenge for us. However, we will take suitable measures to complete the task in 2015. The application of many effective execution methods, the carefully preparation of implementation plan are the basis for the manufacturer to conduct successfully the projects, meeting the requirement on quality, progress, and schedule.
In the next part of the bulletin, the general news will be supplied to you.
On June 13, 2015, at ANP Taiping, the joint venture contractor EPC, ThyssenKrupp German, TTCL Thailand, Lilama 69 Plus 1 Vietnam, and the owner Vinacoming, Mining Chemical Industry Holding Corporation, signed the handing over certificate of the plant. Before, the plant implemented the commissioning and completed the legal procedures to serve for the commercial corporation as planned. Currently, the plant successfully started up and create acid nitrate products. AMB Taiping project with capacity of 200,000 tons per year and total investment of 5.8 trillion Vietnam dong is invested by Vinacoming. Located at Thái Thơ Commune, Thái Thụy District, Taiping Province, on an area of 22.6 hectares. After the operation, the plant is expected to ensure the material source for domestic explosive product instead of the import from China and other countries. On June 16, 2015, the delegation of Hitachi Plant Construction Company, Japan, visited and worked with Lilama 69 Plus 1 to enhance the mutual cooperation in training activities. Accordingly, FPC will hold a one-week training course for 5 key personnel on safety on construction sites, in addition to a one-year training course for 2 engineers of Lilama 69 Plus 1 from April 2015 to March 2015. FPC will support the accommodation and travel expenses for the trainees of Lilama 69 Plus 1 when they are in Japan. The training course for 5 engineers is estimated to be held in late August. So far, 4 engineers of Lilama 69 Plus 1 have completed the training courses in FPC, while 2 others are studying there. On July the 5th, the Vietnam General Confederation of Labor hosted the 9th National Immolation Congress of State Employees at Vietnam Russia Friendship Cultural College. The Congress honored 486 role models, including 103 collectives and 383 individuals, in immolation movement organized by the trade union. Mr. Nguyễn Văn Đồng, head of production units of Erection Team No. 6 of Lilama 69 Plus 1, was named among the honored people. He is the only representative of the machinery erection sector in this Congress. The Youth Union of Lilama 69 Plus 1 took part in the program 2015 Exam Season Charity, organized by the Youth Union of Thái Nguyên University of Technology, and offered 1,000 free rations for candidates who took examination to enter the university. The participation of the Lilama 69 Plus 1 Youth Union in this program contributed to ensure a safe and effective examination, encouraging the examinees to do their exam well with high results. This activity contributes to strengthen the good relation between Lilama 69 Plus 1 and the university. On July 19, the Executive Board of Lilama 69 Plus 1 Youth Union, together with 50 Youth Union members of new engineer class, made a general cleaning of the working environment at packing equipment and steel structure manufacturing. With the motto Lilama 69 Plus 1 Youth, keep the volunteer spirit for the green, clean, nice environment. The youth of new engineer class removed the weeds and cleaned the area in the back of executive office, tidied up the covers of painting barrels, classified washes, and cleaned the works area, cleaned the dormitory, and collected washes around the manufactory.
Lilama 69's Bulletin No. 5, 2015 ends for now. Thanks for your listening. Goodbye and see you in the next bulletin.